It is pouring. A sight word is story. This is my house. This is my mom. She is a doctor. My mom is working. This is my phone. My phone is ringing. This is my dad. He is a teacher. He is teaching. This is my sister. She is a dancer. She is dancing. This is my dog. This is my room. This is my bed. This is my cupboard. This is my chair. This is a window. Oh, look! It is pouring.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.